Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took a sarcastic jibe at Home Minister Amit Shah's statement on India's policy to protect its borders. Rahul Gandhi said everyone knows the reality of what is happening at the borders. While addressing a Bihar Jan Samvad rally through video conferencing on Sunday, Home Minister Amit Shah assured that India's defence policy was strong and the country knows how to protect its borders. A day after Amit Shah's statement, Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter and said, "While everyone knows the reality at the borders, this thought was good to keep everyone happy." Rahul Gandhi said, "सबको मालूम है सीमा की हकीकत, लेकिन दिल को खुश रखने को शायद ये ख्याल अच्छा है." Amit Shah had said India's defence policy has gained global acceptance. The whole world agrees that after USA and Israel, if there is any country that is able to protect its borders, it is India.
पूरा दुनिया ये मानने लगा कि अमेरिका और इजराइल के बाद अगर कोई देश अपनी सीमाओं की रक्षा करने के लिए सक्षम है तो उसमें तीसरा नाम हमारे महान भारत का जोड़ने का काम किया।
Attacking the previous Congress-led central government, Amit Shah said there was a time when terrorists crossed the borders, beheaded the Indian soldiers, but Delhi remained unaffected. There was a time when anybody used to enter our borders, beheaded our soldiers, and Delhi's Darbar remained unaffected, Shah said. Uri and Pulwama happened during our time. It was the Modi and BJP government which did surgical strikes and airstrikes, Amit Shah said. Rahul Gandhi has taken a dig at Amit Shah just a month after Indian and Chinese militaries engaged in a standoff in eastern Ladakh. 2 days back, both the countries held talks at the border personnel meeting point in Maldo on the Chinese side of line of actual control in their first major attempt to resolve the month-long border standoff. The Ministry of External Affairs said both the countries have agreed to peacefully resolve the situation in the border areas. The actual picture and sources depict that there has been no major breakthrough after the meeting took place between the officials of the two armies. There are reports that China is trying to restrict the movement of Indian forces till Finger 8, which has been under Indian possession. Rahul Gandhi has raised the issue of national security and urged the government to be transparent about the situation.